creating or solving crosswords with Crossword Compiler, and managing CW puzzle files. These contain crossword puzzle data with grid clues and solutions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Crossword Compiler puzzle files for puzzle creation and distribution. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common CW Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. A CW file contains a crossword puzzle created with the Crossword Compiler application. Users interact with this file to solve the puzzle digitally, edit its clues and grid structure, or print it for offline use. It is a self-contained format for distributing and playing user-generated or professional crosswords. The file is a proprietary binary format that stores the puzzle grid layout, clue text, answer key, and metadata like the author and title. This structured, all-in-one design ensures that all components of the crossword are kept together, allowing the software to render and manage the puzzle interactively. This CW file is designed specifically for the developer tool Crossword Compiler by WordWeb Software. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows lacks support for proprietary engine formats, so viewing or modifying these files requires appropriate software. To ensure success, right-click the CW file and select Open With. Run the file through Crossword Compiler if it is installed. If it's not present, choose another application. Sometimes older programs work best. If your CW file still refuses to open, stay calm. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, opening in Crossword Compiler. Launch Crossword Compiler from crosswordcompiler.com and use File then Open to load the CW file. The application displays the crossword grid with all clues and solutions providing full editing capabilities, including clue refinement, grid modification, and export to various publication formats. Next, converting to PUZ format. Within Crossword Compiler use file, then export to save puzzles as PUZ format. The standard for across light and many crossword applications. POZ files work in cross-platform crossword software, enabling broader distribution and solving by users without Crossword Compiler installed on their systems. Finally, publishing as PDF. Use Crossword Compiler's PDF export feature to create publication-ready puzzle documents. The PDF output includes properly formatted grids and clue lists suitable for newspaper publication, printed puzzle books, or sharing as printable puzzles. This professional output enables commercial puzzle creation workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.